Hi sweets! How you guys doing?
Hi guys!
I have the lovely Shanika here.
That's my bestie, my best friend.
Hey.
Go best friend.
So today we're gonna be doing the 5-minute challenge.
Yep.
And of course I'm gonna win because Shanika is slow for do everything, yeah?
By the end of this video you're going to eat those words, so calm down.
Okay. Okay. So guys, we already prepared the stuff because otherwise this would not end well. So
yeah.
Shanika's gonna set that timer and we're just gonna get right into it.
Right, so we're going to set it for 5 minutes, and when 5 minutes is up, it's going to beep, so we'll know.
Ready? You ready? Okay guys, we're gonna start the timer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Alright. Alright.
Alright, indeed.
Oh god. Here's the process however long. All the time.
Now that means
late. I have to rush to it so weird.
Shanika, all when you have to rush for going nowhere, you're not getting makeup in 5 minutes.
Well, what is guaranteed is that I'm always late, probably.
Facts. Are your foundation that?
Yes.
Go there, girl.
I think 30 seconds will be better.
But 1 minute still. Shanika! Say, oh god. So the thing about this, you have a whole your composure, isn't it?
Alright. Nothing is anyway, so.
Alright, 1 second talk. Oh gosh, my
Eyebrows always give me a problem.
I wonder, I don't conceal and bring.
I'm going to get Frankenstein after I finish these. We're going to take like 20 minutes.
Gabriel,
Listen, I need
we need one concealer.
Why am I doing this to myself? Alright.
Foundation time.
Pasta, do that and that.
Okay. Oh,
How much minutes? That's what I was just about to say.
2 minutes! Alright guys, me not sure about the winnings no more.
Alright. This highlight is not even doing me justice. What is this? This is what? Fun? Oh god. What do you put that color in? Listen. Why is this thing failing me right now?
No, she wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
What the hell?
What are you doing to yourself?
Dog. Alright, so that's my highlight.
Alright, so I think I have this in the bag. So just a few finishing touches. What do you think she could have won? Alright, that contour. I'll move that this way like more. Alright, 2 times.
Yes, still a balloon.
Highlight. People tell you same about that, you know.
I'm not telling you same about saying I'm gonna lose.
I'm sure they did that one point, but guess what?
In lose enough time. Remember that time them come second? That's you though. That's your Usain Bolt picture.
Yeah, that was a time. That was once upon a time.
Yeah, and that's a your time now.
Yeah,
Hello?
but once upon a time, you see Bolt didn't have to come second or last. And no one
Yes, so today you're Today you're Usain Bolt. Time?
11
seconds! seconds!
What about shit? Wrong side. Alright, done.
No, that 5 minutes they run way.
Alright, so the timer has went off.
It's gone. It's done. I feel like me cuter still.
I don't have any mascara on, and mascara is like vital to makeup, and I don't have any on.
Me neither.
So if I lose, it's cause of mascara, right?
But we basically finish.
I don't have any lip gloss on.
Oh my god!
No lips, no eyes.
Yo, like 5 minutes is not enough. I feel like
But
in the
girl-
mornings though I do my makeup in 5 minutes.
No, but I think I look better. I think I look better.
I don't agree.
Yeah, I think I look better.
Yo, me look orange. So I don't even know what to say. Yeah, like why is your blush like in your nose? No, no.
What the hell?
Guys.
This is just tragic. This is really tragic.
No, like what is this?
Alright, so I don't believe
I don't believe any of us
Yes,
won.
my blush is really
Her
in my
blush is
nose.
legit like in her smile line right here. Like them cheeks be glowing, girl. Like legit, like this is your blush.
But the blush popping though, but it's just not in right. It is. Like it is popping.
No, why I look so orange? What I have on that make me orange?
I think I look good though.
My eyebrows look nice.
Like I could get somebody like this.
Merr.
What do you think? Like I could find somebody who loves me with my makeup on. Oh shit,
That's fine, boo.
I think my makeup looks good. Like my cheeks are popping.
your
Like my
smile
face
lines,
looks
your nose is
cool.
popping.
Like I really feel like I could go on the road and somebody would say, "Hey, baby,
Whatever.
oh, you look good."
Whatever.
So yeah, guys, I look better and I think I won the challenge. What do you think?
Okay, guys, so this is my final look. Yes, I don't have enough thing, but I still look better than Shanika. So, comment below and tell us who you think win. I don't need to give me a speech. My makeup looks speak for itself. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. We really
Had fun.
Yeah.
Doing it. Really had fun.
I never know say 5 minutes so short still,
Right?
like.
So just imagine how much time it takes to do your makeup, because it's definitely not 5 minutes.
Yes. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos from me, subscribe. And guys, thank you again so much for watching. Thank my bestie for being here.
Bye guys.
See ya.